I go to the GoPro ANZ site, oh, actually, I actually got posted this one's my photo, I forgot. This photo, yeah, 1,375 people liked it. Because I don't have that many followers, I've never hit that many likes. Now, I haven't been put on the big GoPro page with millions of followers there. I've been put on the Australian one. Oh, here it is. Okay. This photo here, when I saw it, I screamed in the car. I was so excited I got featured. And it was me throwing the basketball to my brother and his hands are like this. And I didn't notice what my brother looked like. I was just so excited, so I quickly screenshot it and sent it to my brother. He saw like nice hands. Oh, actually, I actually got posted this one's my photo, I forgot. This photo was taken using a snap mount. The snap mount on my chest, on time-lapse mode, and throwing the ball. You hold the pose, because it's going to take a photo every 5 seconds with the GoPro 9. And GoPro liked that one. I think this was taken on time-lapse. I put the GoPro on the floor and just stood up in front of it. Whew. I got, yeah, 1,375 people liked it. And on my page, because I don't have that many followers, I've never hit that many likes. If you do get featured, it's just a good way to see that people do like your work. If you're wondering, are your photos good enough, is go to the main GoPro Instagram page and have a look. I am from Australia, so I go to GoPro ANZ site. They've got 231,000 followers here. So this is a little bit easier to get on. So what you want to look for is what they like, and everything's bright. It's usually blue and it's clear. A lot of these look edited, so you be the judge. If you are out on the ocean, send those in, because they love ones that are in the ocean. They love POV, where they can see your hands, where the camera's facing you. So go on here and have a look at what they're actually using. This is how you do your research. Have you got anything that looks remotely similar to this? And if you look at this and you feel like, oh no, I don't have anything that looks like this. Well, that could be good too. You might be the only person that can submit something that you've got. I looked here, and a lot of things that they like to put up is sports, action, underwater, I mean amazing things like jumping out of helicopters. I don't have anything like this, and I never will. But they don't have heaps of other kinds of sports like soccer, tennis, basketball, things like that that are a lot easier to capture. So if you're into any kind of sport, send that in. So that's 2 basketball features that they have put on their page. That tells me they're liking some of my basketball stuff, so I should submit more basketball photos. Send in photos that are straight. Make the horizon straight. I probably wouldn't bother too much sending in a photo with the horizon slightly off. Just make sure that the horizon is always as straight as possible. Even if you submit and you don't get put on this site, that's still okay, because you still get an award. I would say like once a month, just sit down and just submit all your best photos. So that is how I got GoPro award and a GoPro feature twice. That is how I won. That is possibly how you can win.